Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you how to sculpt a 3D spider on your nails. Start with picking a background color for your nail. Once that is completely dry, get your sculpting gel out and ready to use. The one I'm using is from the Hydralynx 3D sculpture gel set. This is my first time using it, so I'm very excited. Pick up a large bead of sculpting gel. Carefully shape it into a sphere and place it on the nail. Here you can decide the shape of your spider. Remember, it doesn't need to look exactly like mine. You can Google some pictures of spiders to use as a reference. Now pick up a smaller bead for the head. Once you've completed the body, let the gel dry completely under your nail lamp. While the body is drying, grab some more sculpting gel and start rolling it out into thin strips to create the legs. They do not have to be perfect. You can cut them up into smaller pieces and reattach them later. Be creative. Okay, so now that everything is dried, get some rhinestone glue or builder gel to start gluing on your legs. You can lay them flat or have them reaching out from the nail like mine. Cure the gel after every leg and make sure to add enough so they don't fall off. Once the spider is complete, you can pick any color polish and apply it over the entire spider. I decided to apply a coat of black polish. Use a fine brush to paint the legs and go over any hard-to-reach spots. Finally, apply a clear top coat to give your spider a nice glossy finish. Here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.